Namaste everyone. This video is about Ujjayi Pranayama. If you're new to Ujjayi Pranayama, let me tell you that you already know how to do Ujjayi, but sometimes we are just not aware of it. First, let's understand how Ujjayi works. Ujjayi is breathing through the nostrils with constriction at your glottis in the throat, which you feel on the front side when you're inhaling. And in exhalation, once again, you have to constrict your throat and the glottis, but this time you feel it at the back side of your throat. So while you're inhaling through the nose, you're feeling the constriction in the front side. And when you're exhaling, you feel the constriction at the back side of the throat. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out the nose with your mouth closed. I emphasize with your mouth closed. Why did I emphasize on this point? Is because we will practice Ujjayi just now with our mouth open just to get the technique right, and you can feel this constriction in the throat and know how exactly it feels and how exactly it works. Okay, so with this one I will request you to bring your palms right in front of your mouth here, your palms together, and you imagine that you have a small pocket mirror right in front of you in the center of your palms. So first we will begin practicing exhalation of Ujjayi because that is a little easier to begin with comparatively. So we will practice exhalation of Ujjayi with our mouth open. Once again, the proper way you do Ujjayi is with your mouth closed, right? But we practice with our mouth open just to get the technique right. So you have to imagine that on exhalation, you're trying to form this pocket mirror right in front of you. Let's inhale through the nose normally. And exhale with your mouth open as you're trying to form this mirror. Now, if you pay attention, you must have observed that there was a little constriction in the back side of the throat, and you could also hear a subtle sound that was caused because of the constriction in the throat. This is Ujjayi on exhalation. Let's try once again. So once again with our mouth open, we're trying to form this mirror with constriction in our throat on the backside because it is exhalation. Let's inhale normally. Now let's try to do Ujjayi exhalation, but with our mouth closed this time. Let's inhale normally. This is your Ujjayi exhalation. Now we will practice Ujjayi inhalation with our mouth open. Let's bring the palms right back in front of your mouth. This time, instead of trying to fog the mirror, you're trying to defog it with your mouth open and with constriction in the throat, but on the front side. You will feel it on the front side this time because we're inhaling. Let's close our eyes, calm down, breathe normally. And let's begin with Ujjayi with our mouth open. We try to defog this mirror. And exhale Ujjayi with your mouth closed. Inhale with mouth open. Try to deform this mirror. And exhale with your mouth closed. One last time, let's try to inhale Ujjayi with your mouth open to get the technique right. You have this imaginary mirror in front of you and you're trying to defog this mirror. Let's inhale with your mouth open and feel the constriction in the front side of your throat. Inhale. And exhale Ujjayi with your mouth closed. Please bring your hands down. Take a moment. Now let's practice Ujjayi inhalation the proper way with your mouth closed through the nostrils, and exhalation also with your mouth closed and through the nostrils. Please keep complete focus. Calm yourself down. All your focus on the throat. Inhale Ujjayi through the throat and try to observe this constriction. Hear a subtle sound which is caused because of the constriction in the front side as you inhale, and on the back side of the throat as you exhale. Now let's practice together with counts. We will inhale Ujjayi for 4 counts and we will exhale Ujjayi for about 6 counts or maybe up to 8 counts depending on your capacity. So please close your eyes, keep your spine straight, shoulders rolled back and relaxed. You could keep your hands comfortably on the knees or in Chin Mudra. Let's close our eyes. Inhale Ujjayi. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale Ujjayi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again, inhale Ujjayi. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale Ujjayi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One last time. Inhale Ujjayi. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale Ujjayi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please open your eyes. This was Ujjayi Pranayama for you. You could practice 5 to 10 rounds to begin with. The benefits of Ujjayi are so many. Ujjayi Pranayama can help you reduce your stress, increase your lung capacity, and also improve your focus quite a bit. But people with low blood pressure, females who are pregnant, people who experience migraines quite often are the ones who should avoid doing Ujjayi Pranayama.